fathers, because you are the captain in the house, you're the pastor in the house, and you are supposed to lead in the house. And for mothers, nga ikaw ang mamagpapa in the house because your husband is away, you are still the father in the house. Or you're a single parent today, you are the father in the house. Be present emotionally and spiritually. Let your children let them know and feel that you understand their generation. We have different nga layo kay tagap sa ato mga generation, and we have to really be present. Fathering is very challenging pag layo kay tagap sa atong mga anak. And it's the same with being a D group leader. If you're a D group leader today, and under you are youth who doesn't have strong fathers in their homes, many sa itong mga batanon diri mga igsuon, their fathers failed them. Ilang papa walay tarong trabaho, ilang papa ga drugs, ilang papa ga bisyo, ilang papa na ikabit, ilang papa failed, ilang papa manapat sa ilang mama, ilang papa their families are broken. Many of our youth today gikan og broken nga pamilya igsuon. And the role of the church is to father them. And that's the role of the D group leader. The D group leader, babayi man ka o lalaki, our role is to father them. Meaning, to lead them, to direct their path, to really be there for them. Be emotionally present to them. Unsa may makakonect nimo sa imong anak, do it. Because dili ang anak mo adjust sa ginikanan all the time. Pagkanindot kung ang ginikanan or ang father, mahimo siyang example sa iyang anak. That I can adjust to your generation. Because open-minded ko nga papa, makasabot ko kung naunsa akong anak, and I am willing to be there, present ka. Emotionally and labot sa tanan spiritually. Fathers need to be present spiritually. Kung mumaymay ka sa imong anak, bahalag dili na verse by verse, pero kabalo ka, familiar ka sa Word of God. Because gabasa kag Bible, gaanha kag church, and you have a community of believers. Importante kaayo sa papa, nga sa baba nimo madunggan sa imong mga anak, ang Word of God. Because there is no such authority other than the Father's authority sa ilang balay. And ang pinakauna nga ma-learn nato sa fear of the Lord is to learn to fear our parents. Because atong parents, mao na sila atong makita og sila pud ang gihatag ni Lord na authority over our lives. If we learn to fear our parents, fear dili nang magkurug-kurug ka sa kahadlok, but fear is a form of love and reverence and honor and respect. Kana, fear sa parents. Pag mo ka-learn naatay fear sa atong parents, kahadlok sa atong ginikanan, then masayon ang mahadlok ka sa Dios. Kung dili ganini mo kaya kahadlukan ang words sa imong parents today, wala kay honor, wala kay respect sa words sa imong parents, samot ng Ginoo nga dili makita.